What's up, Nuts? Steve Davis, founder of Jeep Nuts, here today with Jacques Arsenault. How you doing, Jacques? He's just off camera and shy. At any rate, today we're working on a 2007 Jeep JK, and we're going to be replacing an O2 sensor. Reason we're changing an O2 sensor today is that we are getting an engine light, and we're getting a code P0138, which means Bank 1 Sensor 2. So after a little bit of research, we found out that it's on the right-hand side, the second sensor in the line downstream, and we're gonna go ahead and give that a shot. So stay tuned and hope this goes well. Welcome back, Nuts. We got our oxygen sensor changed. We didn't have an oxygen sensor socket, so we ended up just cutting the cords off the end of the original oxygen sensor to make it easier to remove. Once that was done, oxygen sensor came right out. We put the new one in, scanned the codes before and after, a little run, no more codes, no more engine light. So all in all, it was a success, and as usual, play safe and have fun with your nuts. Cheers.